NTV's special report on lead found in dental work leads to changes designed to keep you safe. 10 Investigates' Lindsay Sievert broke the results of our tests and joins us with an update. Lindsay?
And tonight our story is getting national attention and also results. Just today, a Florida state rep held a news conference to call attention to a bill in his state's legislature. It would require disclosure from dental labs. And right here in Ohio, we found the state dental board taking action too.
Ohio Dental Association, this is Karen Hemmer-Judge-Cola.
The Ohio Dental Association is busy fielding questions after a 10 TV investigation revealed lead in outsourced dental work.
Since the story ran on 10 TV, we've had numerous inquiries from patients.
The ODA represents 5,500 of the 7,000 dentists in Ohio. They're now asking their members to do more.
What assurances they can get that the work is being done consistent with the requirements of the FDA.
The action comes after 10 TV uncovered loopholes in federal and state laws that allow dental labs to send work overseas and in some cases hide that information from dentists and patients. 10 TV ordered 8 crowns from Chinese labs. 1 crown showed a level of lead. So to avoid this possible risk, the ODA learned another state, Missouri, asked dentists to use a form. The form then asked their labs to reveal where the work is made.
And the questions are pretty pointed. They ask specifically, is the work being done at the lab or is it being outsourced somewhere else?
And if it's being outsourced, where? The U.S. or overseas? The ODA asked the state dental board to require this form statewide. And at a meeting just yesterday, the board agreed. They recommend all Ohio dentists use the form.
This form was the one way that we can immediately get the word out and make a recommendation to dentists, because the patients are at risk if the dentist doesn't have this information, and why not? It was a quick, easy way to let the dentist know that they should be aware.
Now, as for the crown that contained lead in our report, we have contacted that lab in China. We are hoping to bring you the reaction to our findings. Well, also coming up tonight at 6, we'll tell you how the State Dental Board can enforce its plan on dental disclosure forms. For 10 Investigates, I'm Lindsay Sievert.